All right. So I decided to remake this video of how to install the theme on WordPress because I got complaints that some people got lost during the class session, and I want to re-explain it in a simpler way so that everybody can catch up, so that everybody can follow along and flow very well with it. So let's just come back to, okay, let's say we are back to our dashboard, right? And I've cleared my dashboard. I clear every unnecessary thing. I clear the posts that were there before. I cleared the pages that were there before. I also cleared the plugins that were here before. So after clearing all those things, the next thing to do is make sure you check your settings. I think I've talked about that before. Check this pre-link and make sure you put it on this particular post name. Put it on this particular post name and save. Then after saving that, you set up your WordPress, and this is making sense already. And the next thing to do is to go to theme, appearance. Sorry, go to appearance and click on themes, or you can just click on the appearance direct and you see it. So all these theme are follow come, they came with WordPress, and these are WordPress theme, but we don't need them. So you can delete them. Click on them, delete this one, click on this, delete this. Okay, now we can't delete this because actually WordPress must have at least one theme active. So this is active now. If you check our website now, we see that this is active there already. If you check now, let's see, let's refresh. This is what is active there. You can see, as you can see. So I'm actually also remaking this video because network is faster now. So I want everybody to flow along, and I want everybody to be able to follow and get it right at once. So now the next thing is you will click on add theme. You saw what I clicked there. You click on add theme. Then after clicking on add theme, I think during the class I explained that this is one of the best theme, very flexible, one of the most popular theme in WordPress, very flexible. So it doesn't have issue at all, and it has a lightweight, so it makes it fast to load and all that. And for organization websites that are maybe for charity, for church and all that, you can actually use this website. It's also good. I told you I've used it for one of my website before, and let me show you the website. Okay, the Edify Christian Ministry, and this is it. This is the website looking good. This is it. I used that particular theme for it to create all this. Okay, okay, I use the part. Okay, the website is loading. Okay, all right. So this mainly not to waste our time with this. So this is just part of this. What I used that particular theme to create this. I use this particular theme to create this. So there are themes like that. I think Ocean WP2 is a very good theme. So I can recommend this for you too. I've not really used it before, but I've gotten reviews on it. That is a very good theme. And for now, those are the themes I can suggest for you. Okay, the theme we are using is actually Block C. You can search for it. I think I saw it down here now. Blocks, yeah, Block C. But if you can't find it, you can always search for it. You see, you can always search for it. But I'm just showing you in case you are not seeing it. But you should see it down there. So then what's next? You install it. You install. After installation, you click on activation and you activate it. Make sure you activate it. Simple, and I hope these steps now, I think everyone should get it. So after the activation, you what you need to do now is to install the companion. You can see it here. There's this suggestion here: install Bloxy companion. Actually, if you don't want to install it from here, if you are not seeing this, you are going to get this. You are going to see this. But in case you are not seeing this, you can come here. When you come here, you'll be able to install. You will see it down somewhere, down, down, down. that you should install it. You see it down here, suggesting that you should install it or install the Chise theme. If you install this Chise theme, you have to sorry, on download. If you download this, you have to download and come back here and come and install it through there's a way you install it, sure. You have to upload it in, yeah. You download and have to upload it. That's the English. So you is either you so is either you install or download. So what we are doing now is installing the Bloxy companion. So when we install the companion, we are able to add our child theme easily. So just install the companion, and after installation, you see immediately Bloxy will have a space up here, and this page will open. This page will open. You see, it's straightforward. Immediately you install that companionship, is either you go, you see now you can't find the blocks under this appearance again. It has come here. Then you go to starter side. That's when you get a lot of demos that you can use to begin your creation, to begin your website. As you can see, everything is here. There is a lot of things here. Even if you want to build a e-commerce website, you can see them here. These there's a lot. Okay, it's not a lot like that, but at least you have enough here. You have enough that are free. You see, it's only these first four that are actually pro that you have to pay for, that you have to make payment before you can use. But all these are free and they are all good themes. They are all good things. I think I've shown you guys before in a previous video that I used this for a client and I didn't even edit much on it. I just installed the theme direct and just make some editing, put the content and all that. So if you preview it, you can always preview. You can see it there. You can see down there. So you can see. If you check I just changed the background picture. I changed few things there. I removed these. I changed these to a picture. You can see, and all that's it. So, and there's other, you can check services, you can check all these things about. And so if you want to create e-commerce website, this is e-commerce website here. You can see selling, a lot of selling is going on there. You can see it here. You can see another e-commerce website. You can see them here. So you can see selling here. So one more thing I want you to consider before you install anything is the editor available on it. You see what is showing here is the editor. This one is Gutenberg. Gutenberg is not is good to use, easy to edit and all that, but it's not as common as Elementor. I use Elementor most of the time for myself. Elementor is the most popular editor for theme of for WordPress theme because Elementor is easy to understand. It's a very easy drag and drop stuff. So it's a website builder editor that you will easily understand. So Elementor is good. Elementor is the best one. So always check your theme that you want to download. If the what editor did they use to create the theme? If it's Elementor. So now for this now, and one thing about Elementor is that you can find a lot of videos on it on the Instagram. I'm sorry, you can find a lot of videos on it on YouTube and other platform like that because it's popular. A lot of people use it. So for this particular tutorial for the church website we are building, I already show you the church website. We are creating something like this, right? We are creating something like this. We are creating something like this. We are creating something like this. And if you can create this, you can use the idea to create site for many churches, for many organizations, for companies, for any religious organization, any charity, anything, non-profitable organization, all those things, or you can use it to build any of those things. So But okay, so what we are using, the team we are using this charity because it's very close to what we need. It's very close to what we need. They have that's the idea they used to build this. You can preview. Let's preview it. That's the idea they used to build this. You can see it's not exactly like this team because I edited a lot of things. Actually, I did not install this content with it because I told you, like I told you in the former tutorial, that I started from scratch. I started everything from scratch. So if you look at it, it's not looking at exactly the same thing. It's not looking exactly like this. You won't know I use it for you. You see that it's very different. So I so so it's just something that are similar there. I changed everything. I made sure that I started the design from scratch. So the thing now is that we are going to install this choice theme. Though we can work on the main theme, but it's very advisable sometimes to use the choice theme. It's not every team that gives us a choice theme offer like this. Some we just use the main team direct, but sometimes it's good to use choice theme because when something is wrong with the child's team, it won't affect the main team and all that. But you get to understand that better again, sure. So what we are going to do now is we import. So after pressing the import, you will see this will pop up and we create on install child team. So when you click on child team, you create next. So you see all these all these website builders there, all these editors there. They are what you use to edit your designs. So you can either choose any, but I will advise you to choose Elementor because it will be easy for you to use. It's easy to understand. AI, there's AI there that can help you. I will show you how to use the AI and all that. So, okay, let's just go. It's very easy and it's common. So, these are plugins that sorry. Okay, these are plugins um uh, that comes with the team that they suggest that we install. You can decide not to install them, or you'll be needing them later. So why not install them? It's very important that you install them. So just leave it and install. But the thing now is this if I install this way now, I will have all the content, all the pictures, the way they've designed the website that we preview. I will have all this. I will have it like this. So immediately I install it. This is what my if you try to log in, if you try to check my website, sorry, if you try, it's showing this now. Okay, by now this will have changed to the to blank because we have changed the theme, right? So if I should install all this with this content now, this option and all that, if I should install that, so this is what we'll be seeing. We'll be seeing this immediately. We enter our URL. We'll be seeing this. So me, I don't want this because I want us to start the design so that we get full understanding of everything. I want us to start the design from scratch. I want us to start it from scratch. So content. So I will untick this content. So you can leave this though your what do you call it? Sorry. Pardon me. I'm feeling sleepy already. All right. Your WordPress is new and everything is clean, but it doesn't matter. You can leave this ticked so that you can leave the. I think we are going to use the widget, so just leave it. Options, I think I'll leave all these, but the content I don't want it, so I will start the creation by myself, and any other thing I don't want I can delete in now. So let's just still leave the others, but let's not take the content with it. So I don't want to get the content. I've clicked on install and it start installing. All right. I hope this happen fast because I won't have time to edit this video. I don't want to edit, so I'm uploading it raw like this. So as you can see, it's not that slow. Now you are good to go. You can always view your website. So if you view now, you will see what it's showing. You can see, you can see. Now all those pictures, all those things are not showing yet. One are not showing because we didn't install the content. But it's also possible that we install the content and you are still getting a page like this because there are some things we need to arrange. The You can see this is showing, right, and this is on the church website. That's how you know it's the theme I use, as you can see. As you can see, so this is showing, so you already know that it's the same theme I used. So I didn't change that. All right. Okay. I now found the okay the page. Okay, so now this, now if I refresh it again, it's going to be showing you exactly what's showing there. So as you can see, so now when you are logged in into your WordPress by account, you always see all this drop down, customize and all that. So now we need to go and activate our team to start using to edit. So you come here, go to dashboard, go to dashboard again. So we are going to take it step by step. We are going to take it step by step. I've forgotten. Okay, what we are going to do now is we are going to continue in the next class, since I didn't touch here before, so I don't want to because some people might not actually watch this video since they were in class and they got it. I'm doing this for the people that didn't really get it, that got confused, so that we won't have to go back tomorrow again when we are having the next class. So now I think this is good for now. You should understand this. We can work with this now, and later and tomorrow we're going to other things. We start designing and all that. All right, thank you.